Hello, everyone. We are going to do some words together today, and each of the words that we're going to do has a diver letter. Remember, diver letters are letters that dive below the bottom line. So, for example, lowercase j dives below the bottom line, and lowercase g dives below the bottom line. So the first word that we're going to do, let me show you the word, see if you can figure out what it is first. I start with a tall down, then I roll around, then I'm going to do a small down dot, and then for my last letter, I'm going to hook around, come up, dive down, and make a tail. What word is that? Remember, this is a bee. Bees have a belly. B-I-G, B-I-G, big. So I want to write the word big 3 times as neatly as I can. And remember that G should dive below the bottom line. Go ahead and pause the video and make the word big 3 times on your paper. All right, next word. Next word is going to start with a hook around. Then I go up to the top and do a tall down. Then I'm going to pick up my pencil. The next letter is small down dot. And my last letter is hook around, up, dive down with a tail. Now I have D-I-G. Remember, D's have a diaper. So we went from B-I-G, B-I-G, big, to D-I-G, dig. So we're going to make the word dig 3 times neatly on our paper. I'm going to make it once more. Go ahead, pause the video, and you make the word dig 3 times. All right, next word. Next word, I start on my dotted line, and I'm going to dive down and make a tail. Then I'm going to pick up my pencil and dot it. Then I am going to hook around and close. Then I'm going to hook around, up, dive down with a tail. J-O-G. J-O-G. Do it again. Dive down, tail, dot, hook around, close it, hook around, up, dive with the tail. Jog. Make the word jog 3 times. If you need more time, pause the video, and we'll do the next word. All right, here's my next word. I'm going to write it up here. So I'm going to start with a tall down, and then I'm going to roll around. Then for my next letter, I'm going to hook around, up, small down, and then I'm going to hook around, up, dive down with a tail. B-A-G. Let me do it again. I'm going to make my B, and my A, and the G. Tall down, roll around, hook around, up, small down, hook around, up, dive down. B-A-G, B-A-G, bag. Make bag 3 times on your paper. If you need more time, just pause your video and finish. The next word we're going to do, I'm going to start with a J. So I'm going to dive down, make a tail, and dot it. Then I'm going to make my hook come around. Then I'm going to pick up my pencil and slide right to close it to make an E. Then tall down, cross. J-E-T. J-E-T. Jet. J-E-T. T. We do dive down with a tail, dot it, going to hook around, and then slide to close it, tall down, cross. Jet, jet, jet. Go ahead, pause the video and make jet 3 times. All right, the last word we're going to make has 3 G's in it. You ready? Starts with a G, so hook around, up, dive down with the tail. Then we're going to make an I. Then I'm going to make 2 G's in a row. Then we're going to make an L and an E. So notice G, ig, gig, g-o, gig, goal, giggle. We're going to make the word giggle 3 times. Let me show you it again. G, I, G, G, L, E. So pause the video and write giggle 3 times on your paper. Thank you for making these words with me today. All of these words had diver letters in them. Some of them had G, that was diving below the line. Some of them had J, diving below the line. Every time we use a lowercase g or j, make sure it dives below your bottom line. Keep practicing, and I will see you next time.